What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you these apps that pay you to do nothing at all. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, guys, it seems like I'm almost 260 subscribers away from getting to 5,000. Help me, guys. Help me to get to 5,000, guys. Like I said before, this is you guys' channel. It's not my channel alone. This is you guys' channel. And we're trying to grow. I want us to grow, guys, to be the biggest YouTube channel that discusses making money online in the world. I know it's a big goal, but guys, help me get there. Share it everywhere. I'm ready. My hand is itching. I'm ready to give away this money to 3 people, guys. So I'm going to randomly pick 3 people from the comments that's been typing the code word. And guys, if we can get there by the end of this month, you guys, the lucky ones out there, are going to get the free money. So let's get there. We got 6 days left to get to 5,000 subscribers. Share this everywhere on every social media. Just share it, guys. All right, that's enough. Let's go ahead and get into this method. One more thing, please follow me on Instagram. It's @AppGrind. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you these apps that will pay you to do absolutely nothing. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. And the name of this app is Some More. I think that's how you pronounce it. Some More Earn Cash Rewards. I don't remember if I talked about this app before in the past. I don't know, but I'm going to go ahead and discuss it. And I have one more app that you guys are familiar with. So I'm going to talk about 2 apps now. So it says here, let's go ahead and look at these. It's a video you can check out. So you're going to shop and earn. So it's one of those type of apps. But it's something unique about it, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Now, here are the screenshots. Taking a little bit long. There we go. So many ways to earn. So complete profile, watch video, use lock screen, refer friends, download apps, play games. And it's just a screenshot of how the gift cards are going to look once you receive it. So these are the gift cards you get. You get an Amazon, AMC Theaters, Applebee's. And so what's unique about this app is you're going to use your lock screen to make this money or to be able to get a free gift card. So you're really going to be absolutely doing nothing. You check your phone on a regular basis anyway. So when you go to your lock screen, you're going to see these adverts and you just go through it, go to your phone and earn points. As you can see here, you earn points right here. And here are the other things you can do. You can watch and earn. So you be able to watch a video and earn. You be able to shop and earn. And you'll be able to download apps and earn. So there's many ways that you can, here it is right here, play and earn. So there's many ways you can make money from this app. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick before I go down to the review and the rating. So Samore is a lock screen rewards app that allows you to earn points in exchange for us placing ads and content on your lock screen. Every day we'll give you points in exchange for having the Samore lock screen installed. And regardless of how many times you see it, you'll have points added to your account. Just use your phone normally and get paid. Guys, that sounds good. That sounds so easy, guys. So easy. Now let's just read a little bit more. So the gift cards you can earn once you redeem your points is Amazon, like I said earlier, Amazon, Walmart, Target, CVS, GameStop. You like playing games, you be able to get some games for free, really. Starbucks and more. So right here they're just talking about the same thing we discussed, earning points and be able to get offers, and you refer it. Now you're going to be able to refer, so you can refer and earn also. And let's just read it right quick. So with the refer a friend feature, to get additional points by sharing your referral link and code. When your friends and family sign up, they receive an additional point bonus. After they've used some more for 10 days and are eligible to redeem their own points, you'll receive 25 points bonus. Wow, that's something else, guys. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.2. Like I always say, anything over 4 stars is very, very good app. And let's read one review right quick. Okay, this one right here. I'm not going to try to pronounce that name. Might be Jean or June. But this person says, still true to agreement for the most part. Got 3 gift cards now, $13. After getting first gift card, no longer able to download apps for extra, but it comes up to do it. So they have a little problem with the downloading the apps, but all the other things on here, all the other features are working, and so far they got 3 gift cards and $13. So guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this app. This is a very good app that you can make some money doing absolutely nothing. Just putting the app on your lock screen. That's all you have to do. So go ahead and go to Samore, that's SMORE, earn cash rewards in the Google Play Store. I'm sorry it's not available on iPhone because they don't allow you to have these type of things on your lock screen. All right, now let me go to this other app that you're probably very familiar with, but I just wanted to go ahead and add it in this video because I'm getting new people every day, so they may have not heard of this app before. So let me go ahead and go over there right now. Okay, I'm at the next app, and it's Slidejoy. You guys have heard of this app before, but my new people out there, you may not heard of this. So it's similar to the last app I just showed you. All you got to do is download this. It's going to be on your lock screen, and you just look at some ads. And every time you open your lock screen, you're going to accumulate points, and you'll be able to get gift cards. And same type of gift cards, you'll be able to get Amazon, Google Play gift card, Walmart, and many more. and you'll be able to redeem these points. And all you need is 2,000 carrots, because Slidejoy called them carrots. So you get 2,000 carrots, you'll be able to redeem it and be able to get a gift card and trade those in for money. Now, the rating on here, it is kind of low, 3.7, because I think they had an update on this app, and sometime when they update these apps, people have trouble with some of the features on the app. So let's look at one review here. Let's see, this app itself has worked as subscribed in the past for a few years, and the payout has been nice. So this person said it's been working good for the past few years. They've been using it and the payout is nice. So guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this app. So if you want to go ahead and download this app and get started making money just with your lock screen, go ahead and go to Slidejoy lock screen cash rewards. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop the comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps. And please share this all over the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. And guys, don't forget to type that code word that's going to pop up in this video somewhere. Type it down in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Road to 5,000. Let's get there. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Also, drop a creative comment down below, because sometimes I pick out comments that I like and I do shout outs for that person channel. So leave a creative comment down below along with the code word. And please check out my podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. The link will be in the description. And subscribe to my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. I don't post daily over there. I post maybe once a week or something like that. But I talk about making money online, increasing your finances, and in the future I'm going to start interviewing successful entrepreneurs. So please go over there to the channel and subscribe. Link will be in the description. All right, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys. Before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and have a blessed day.